দেখা যাচ্ছে আমার ডাউনলোড দেখা যাচ্ছে ইউটিউবে নাকি শুনে আমার
Rexta on wheels. Travel experiment reality.
আমি তো কৌশিক কৌশিকের ভিডিও দেখি টাইপ করা দেখি আছে নাকি
Let's see if it starts. Okay, so I got a mileage of 24 kilometers per liter, and that is very shocking. Okay, now let's reset the trip and just ride normally, nothing above 50 60, and see how much can I achieve from it. So the kilometers set to 0 again, the trip meter, and here I go. So I covered up 4.4 kilometers in the second mileage test. The first one gave me a mileage of 24 of being aggressive, of crossing 100 110 constantly, and now I'm just touching 60 50 60. Maximum I'll go up to is 70, and let's see how much mileage can I get out of it. But this 24 mileage test really, like, I'm shocked. I didn't expect this to happen. So anyways, let's see how much I get this time. Crossing back that same toll plaza that I crossed sometime a while ago. So, and the time is 5:34. And it's not like that this bike has been neglected for any reason. I've always maintained this bike very well. Used good mobile oil like Motul 7100. Plus I changed the entire carburetor. There's a new carburetor on the bike. New carburetor in the sense like it's been 1 year that I changed it. But still, it's like not 10 years old at least. And the spark plug even I recently changed. All along I had NGK's plugs. Now I just put the stock spark plugs back, like new ones, or else it might be a faulty air filter. But anyways, let's see how much this time I can take out from this bike. Going back towards Kolkata. On the left is Dulagarh. We aren't going to go that side, so we are just going to go straight to Kolkata. Here I cover 13.4 kilometers. Going towards Santragachi. And I maintained a speed of 50 60, as you can see. So waiting for the end results. Here we enter towards Santragachi railway station at 16.9 kilometers. Just go ahead and refuel that bottle so that it don't get stuck anywhere further. Again I fill the bottle. Don't have to worry about the oil now. Now heading back towards Calcutta.
এই দিক থেকে দেখা যাচ্ছে আমার ডাউনলোড দেখা যাচ্ছে ইউটিউবে নাকি শুনে আমার
Rexta on wheels. Travel experiment reality.
আমি তো কৌশিক কৌশিকের ভিডিও দেখি টাইপ করা দেখি আছে নাকি
That guy was curious to know about my YouTube channel, so I had to type it on his phone. Though I never uploaded anything on Travel Experiment Reality, I couldn't show him that channel. I gave the handle of Rexta on Wheels. So he's saying that he hopes that his video comes out on YouTube as well. My God, see the jam at Santragachi. Always been like this because of this construction that is going on. 6-lane construction, and that's Santragachi railway station. Still under construction, but it's much better than what it was before. Out here you have to just find your way out, not you'll get stuck. My god, the entire bridge is jammed. Should have gone from underneath. Today's weather is pretty awesome, pretty chilled. Not all these days it was very, very hot. Here I am entering Kona Express at 22.2 kilometers. Well, I entered the city. The bike is showing it's giving 25.6 kilometers till now. I think there was a difference of me riding between 50, 60 and 70 rather than 110. We're going too aggressive. So let's see how much more it gives. Well, so far the bike's ridden for 28.3 kilometers and still going on. Yeah, so there was a difference of rash riding and just being very normal with the bike. So today I did two kind of different mileage tests on this bike. One was in the aggressive way and one was a normal ride. So the difference was on a aggressive ride of 100-110 I got a mileage of 24 kilometers per liter, and well, on a normal ride of 50-60 kilometers per hour I am getting a mileage more of 28 point something kilometers. I think it will touch 30 hopefully. Christ the King Church, Park Circus, heading towards Baliganj. Well, hunger strikes, so bought some muri and chops after a long time. So let's see till now how much did the bike cover. Wow, it shows 31.0 kilometers. So I will still ride it till it completely dies. So well, at 32.2 kilometers the bike is missing. It's going to conk out any time. So let's see, let's pull it till the last breath of it. So Pakka, this bike has given a mileage of 33 kilometers of mixed condition of the highway and city ride. Well, it's not going to start anymore. I'll just refuel that oil that was left, means that I bought. Here I end this mileage test. I would encourage you guys to watch the entire video. You'll understand the twist between the two conditions of mileage test that I did today. Don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe guys, and share this video to all your bike enthusiasts like you and me. Good night.